Beautiful large one bedroom in Forest Hills. This is entrance. This is the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors. High ceiling, lots of light during the day. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of corner space. All stainless steel appliances, comes with a microwave and a dishwasher. Windows in the kitchen. It's a 3-door closet. Huge closet, lots of space. It's the bedroom, a large bedroom. You can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. Comes with another closet here. Huge closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. That's the linen closet. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building. Here, banks, restaurant, grocery shops. 1 block from 71st Continentals, Forest Hill Station, the ENF train, also near the MNR train, LIR train. An apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.